back, my friends, and TGIF, happy Friday. This is Lindsay bringing you another daily work from home job lead. Since it is Friday, we will keep this one very short, sweet, and to the point. I know everyone is ready to get the weekend started, but I wanted to share this one real quickly because it is data entry, non-phone. Although it is in the healthcare field, it is still data entry, non-phone, which I know a lot of people are looking for, and it's hard to find these types of jobs. So when they come up, I always want to share. But without further ado, the company Advanced Medical Reviews is hiring a data entry associate. Now it says if you are detail oriented and love being at a computer, this position may be a perfect fit for you. The data entry associate is responsible to gather, prepare, and enter alphabetic and numeric data from various source documents into the appropriate computer systems for storage, processing, and data management. So you will be gathering, organizing, and preparing source documents for data entry into the appropriate databases. You'll review data for discrepancies, missing pages or information, and resolve those issues. You'll enter both alphabetic and numeric data from those documents. You'll review the data entered against the original source document to verify accuracy and correct any errors or duplication. You'll follow their data programs and security practices and procedures at all times. You'll have to make sure that you complete daily backups of the system and perform any other variable clerical duties such as sorting, filing, emailing, and proofreading. Now, it does say this position is 100% remote, and the hours are Monday through Friday, 9 a.m. to 6 p.m. Pacific Standard Time. They are based out of California, but this job listing does not list any state restrictions for application. I only share what I find on the internet. I do not work for these companies, so just a little disclaimer there. But it takes very little experience to get started. They only require a high school diploma or equivalent, but no college degree, and only a minimum of 6 months related experience or equivalent combination of training and experience. So very little experience, and experience in medical office is preferred, but not required. They do just want someone who can be tech savvy and detail oriented, who can work on a computer. Now, a few other things is if you can type at least 40 words per minute, maintain confidentiality because you might be looking at documents that have protected health information on them. So you need to be able to demonstrate accuracy and thoroughness, and look for ways to improve or promote the quality of your own work. One downside to this position is they did not post the salary or pay requirements. That will have to be discussed at the time of the interview. 2 videos will be popping up on your screen. One I picked for you and the other YouTube picked for you that you might enjoy next. Please subscribe and hit the bell icon so you never miss another work from home or money making video from me. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one.